Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make beetroot tomato soup. This winter season, it is healthy to add soups in your regular diet. I have made veggie soup today without corn flour and cream. This is a very simple recipe, it tastes perfectly delicious. This low-calorie creamy soup is best suited for dinner. Let's jump into the making. I have taken one medium-sized onion, one small beetroot, 3 to 4 tomatoes based on sourness, 1 carrot, 3 to 4 garlic pieces, half inch ginger, 1 green chilli. Green chilli is optional in this recipe. If you want a super spicy soup, you can add green chilli, otherwise black pepper is fine. I have cut all the veggies. Now let's jump into the making. In a pan, I am adding half a tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of oil. Let it melt completely. Now let's add 1 bay leaf. This gives a nice flavor to the soup. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 green chilli. As I said earlier, this is optional. Fry everything for a minute. Add the chopped ginger garlic. Now let's add the chopped onion. Add salt to cook the onions faster. Now let's add the vegetables. I have added beetroot and carrot. Add salt for the veggies and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Adjust it as preferred. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes. I used 3 tomatoes as my tomatoes were big. Let's add 2 cups of water. Mix it once and cover and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the amazing color it got from the vegetables. Add tomatoes based on the sourness. I used 1 Roma and 2 wine tomatoes. Remove the bay leaf. We are going to grind this mixture once it is cooled down. Turn off the heat. First, let's filter this. I have added a bowl and a filter over it. Filter it in a bowl. Transfer it to a plate and let it cool until slightly warm. This helps in easier cooling process. Once it is cool, transfer it to a blender. Blend it in pulse mode. Do not make it into a creamy paste. We want to filter the thick layer of the tomato skin and also the tomato seeds. Add everything to the leftover water. Mix together and then again filter it to remove the tomato skin and seeds. You can clearly see the leftover mixture has the skin and the seeds. Repeat the process for the remaining soup. You will get a nice creamy soup from the filtration. Boil the soup in a pan. Check for salt and pepper and add if needed. Remove it from heat and transfer it to a bowl. That's it, our amazing beet and tomato soup is done. This tastes absolutely delicious. It looks appealing too that the kids love it. This is perfect for dinner and also the perfect soup for the winter. You can serve this for dinner and it is quite filling. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The notes, ingredients and other playlists are given in the description. Like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I have topped the soup with coconut milk and cilantro. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.